Hi guys, welcome to Mad Butterfly. My name is Dr. Anjali Pawar. This is my first ever vlog as an intern doctor. Yes, I'm officially on the other side of the white coat. I graduated last year from China and I cleared my license exam, that is FMGE. And after a long wait, my internship has finally started in the month of February this year. To be very honest guys, internship तक पहुंचना भी एक जर्नी था. There were 2 rounds of counseling and I got mine in the second one. That wait period, oof, it was pure anxiety. Every day felt like कब start होगी internship, क्या होगा, कहाँ मिलेगा. But now that it has finally started, it feels like a sigh of relief. Like बस अब real doctor वाली life start हो गई है. So I am doing my internship from GMC Savai Madhopur in Rajasthan, and right now I am posted in medicine department. And if I had to describe it in 3 words, it is intense, humbling and chaotic. Every day starts early, ends late, and in between there is a rush of cases, rounds and caffeine. कई बार तो लगता है कि मैं एक वॉकिंग केस फाइल बन चुकी हूँ. एक वार्ड से दूसरे वार्ड में फाइल्स पहुँचाना, पेशेंट के ब्लड सैंपल्स भिजवाना. लेकिन जितना भी हम थकते हैं उससे कई ज़्यादा हमें सीखने को मिलता है. कुछ दिन हॉस्पिटल्स में जेन्युइनली बहुत टफ होते हैं, लाइक व्हेन योर पेशेंट कोलैप्सेस या रिलेटिव्स का पैनिक कर जाना एंड योर हेड स्पिनिंग विद 100 थिंग्स. एंड देन देयर आर सम डेज जो दिल को सच में बहुत छू जाते हैं, लाइक व्हेन अ पेशेंट सेज थैंक यू बेटा, या जब आपका डायग्नोसिस सही निकल जाए. It's like pain plus pride equals to medicine posting. And honestly, medicine is not just a department, it's a test of patience, presence, and purpose. So, you guys must be wondering what I'm writing in my diary. So, basically, during the rounds, I take short notes and also some pictures from patients' case files like investigations and treatment plan. And when I come back to my room, I make sure to make proper clean notes out of them. So, whatever I am learning, I don't forget it. It's my little system to survive the madness and still hold on to the knowledge. इसको नहीं नहीं कोई बात नहीं, नहीं आएगी नहीं आएगी. अच्छा मैं तो डेविड को भी यही बोल.
अपन कितने परेशान थे ऐसे ऐसे मेरा निकल गया जुगाड़ तो ऐसे तेरा भी निकल गया. अब मैं अपन मैं सोच रही
So while I sip my tea, I want to share that my internship experience till now has been bittersweet. Some days felt really good, like I am finally doing what I always dreamt of. But then there were some days I felt really demotivated and drained, and I'm slowly getting the hang of it. Medicine is intense, no doubt, but I'm learning to flow with it one shift at a time. So, after a week of non stop medicine duty and endless rounds, I finally got a break, and this weekend I am going home. And not just that, we are also celebrating my sister's birthday. So, from this point on, the vlog is going to be a little more chill, a little more personal, and काफी ज़्यादा homely. So, let's go!
The next day.
think I like them. Now I think I should go and make some chai. It goes. उनकी बड़ी बड़ी I have picked 2 cakes of 1 pound. One I am taking a pineapple and the other one is butterscotch as usual. So I'm not taking the bigger one. I'm getting 2 cakes made in 2 different flavors. So yeah. And I've given the order now. And let's see. 1 घंटे में हमें हमारा order मिलेगा. उसके बाद I'm taking some decoration items. Let's see how it turns out. I have to take bouquet for very doubtful about this because this pink is too bright, and for balloons I'm sorted. I like these pink colors and we are taking these white ones. Silver. हाँ भैया वो क्या Pinterest स्टाइल में चाहिए बच्चों को आजकल सबको Instagram पे पहले फ़ोटो लगाना ज़रूरी भी है अब जो Oh, I came to this huge stationery shop, got 2 ribbons and one of these happy birthday silver. And now we are taking these.
A few moments later.
बर्थडे, थैंक यू। लग रही है काफी उस तरफ ये वॉशरूम ये सबसे सही रहता है मेरे साथ।
एक नान मंगा।
एक और देखते हैं। हाँ, वो मलाई कोफ्ता मंगा लेते हैं। वही भाई इट वाज सो स्पाइसी। हाय हाय मिर्ची, मिर्ची। भाई द स्टार्टर वाज सो स्पाइसी। यार कान से धुआं निकल रहा है, माउथ वाटरिंग, मेरे कान से धुआं निकल रहा है। वो सिंगल वाला टेस्ट है ना, मुझे भी ऐसा लग रहा है। लाइक बेबी। So now I am heading back to Savai Madhopur. This weekend was really wholesome. It felt good to pause for a bit, to breathe and to be with my family. That's it for this vlog. If you enjoyed it, do subscribe to my channel and comment karke batana how you liked it. I'll see you next time with more stories from this messy and beautiful journey. Bye!